Hi, I am Dario and we will be making Aquafaba Meringues today. The first thing you want to do is preheat the oven to 250. Then take out the following ingredients. Vegans, you can eat them because they're just made of chickpea water. So and they're just as good as egg whites. So I'll tell you what Aquafaba is. Aquafaba, you know when you get those canned chickpeas? Well, and then you open it and then there's a little water in it. Well, you can save them and put them in a jar and then make meringues with them. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now let's pour the chickpea water in and let's start mixing. And we want to mix on high speed. Also, before you do that, you want to line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. And also, you want to do it for 15 minutes. If you don't do it for 15 minutes, it's not going to be good. So until it's really stiff. So it has to be really stiff. It can't alright, so let's start mixing. Okay, it should look like this. Stiff, really stiff, can't move, can't dump. So it should look stiff. Now we're gonna want 2/3 of a cup of white cane sugar. So, and then we're gonna mix again for like 5 more minutes until it's glassy. 1, 2. Let's mix some more. Now, if you have it, you should add some 2 teaspoons of almond extract. So, okay. So I need to get a teaspoon instead of just dropping it. Here we go. 1 teaspoon. 1 and 2. Now let's mix for like 2 more minutes. And then, now let's mix for like 2 more minutes. Okay, so now if you want, you can add food coloring. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay. So you could do like 5 or 6 drops. Now you can mix for about like 30 seconds until it looks like whatever color you want. Okay, now it looks this color. I put this color food coloring in. So now you're gonna want to use a tablespoon, and we're gonna put the whatever. Okay, so you're going to you can use a tablespoon, but it doesn't work that good. So I would use this thing. It's like a fancy. It's like it makes it goes here. I'll show you. So, like, it makes this, so I'll put it on the parchment paper. Okay, I'll see you when all of these are done. Okay, I am back. So this is what they should look like. Little meringues. Now you can put them in the oven for an hour and a half to 2 hours. I would do an hour and 50 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do. So if your oven is already preheated to 250, let's put them in the oven. Now, in an hour and a half to 2 hours, your meringues will be ready. Time to take out the meringues from the oven. It's gone for like an hour and 15 minutes, so I'll show you what they should look like. These are my meringues. Now we need to let them cool. This is my sister Vera, and we are going to eat our meringues and see how they are. They are really good.
Yeah.